Hello guys, welcome to the Working Graduates. If you're new to this channel, my name is Tabo. So in this channel, we'll talk about ways to make money full-time and part-time. So in this video, I'll be talking about how to scalp Euro pairs. So I'll be just giving you a strategy of how to scalp Euro pairs. As you might have noticed, Euro pairs are basically, they move differently quite a lot, and most people usually don't trade them because they usually don't follow those certain trading strategies. Okay, but I'll show you a strategy that you can use for scalping any Euro pair. Then you can just make money quickly with that. All right. So if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe onto this channel so you don't miss any of my videos where I show you how to make money online. All right. So see you after the intro. Let's go. Okay, so welcome back, guys. So I'm just gonna go right to the chart, and I'm gonna show you just exactly how this strategy is, how it works and stuff like that. So essentially, the strategy works simply by using some indicators. So you're gonna use the MACD. Okay, so you're gonna leave it as default. Okay, so remember, this is basically a beginner strategy to scalp. So it's what it means to scalp, it basically means you're just going to get money like within a day or like a few hours, and then you're out. Okay, so you don't stay a lot of time in the market. Okay, so you'll be using MACD, and that's simply what is going to be the main thing. And then you're going to use our MA, so our moving average. Okay, so I'm just going to put it up there and then we start. So what you want to be doing, guys, all right, as I said, you open your MACD. Okay, so first, before you go to MACD, all right, you focus on the 30 minutes charts. That's the main formula of how this system works. Okay, so as I said, you are basically doing some scalp like day trading. All right, so MA, so you have a MA here. All right, so the moving average is basically going to tell us where the market is going. All right, as you can see here, if you don't know where the market is going, if it's below this line, okay, it means we obviously going to look at some sell opportunities. All right, so if it's above, we're going to be looking at buys. Okay, so currently the market is below. All right, as on the 30 minutes chart, it's below here. Okay, so we literally just look at the now the entries. So if you go to a MACD, right, so I'm going to open my MACD. Okay, so leave it as default. All right, so what do you want to do, guys? We're only going to focus on when this thing hits this part. All right, only when it hits this part, and there's a MACD which is higher. Okay, like this one is a good point, a great place to enter. For example, let me just put this. So if you see here, it touched here, you're literally just gonna get out here. Okay, once it touches and then it's here, you see this MACD, right? You basically gonna sell, and it should go right down to here and you're out. Right, so here we can't enter, it hasn't hit our this part here. Okay, so only when it hits here. Right, so if you go back here, we can see it hits this here before. Okay, and then it went down. Okay, right, so in this instance, I usually would say leave it only when it hits and goes down, then you enter. So this one is a perfect one. So for all you beginners, to make sure you get good entries, only when it hits like this and it has a nice MACD like this, and then you enter. All right, so let me move my chart this side. So this was a nice entry there, so leave this there. I wouldn't encourage you. Okay, here it hits, as you can see, and we had a nice one, and so both of these are nice entries here. So remember, you just enter and go out here quickly. So you see how many pips you basically gonna, let's see, 80 pips. So that's more than enough for the day. And if you see here, how many pips? That's like 1,000 or sorry, 100 pips. All right, so as you can see over there. All right, so as you can see, you'd have made money here, you got out. We leave this because it went above. Okay, it could be end up changing direction. So to make sure, just let it hit and then go down. Okay, so I would have entered here, when it go down, enter, it hits here. All right, so we move. So let's suppose it was well before here. Suppose you didn't see anything here. So here you can see the market is above, so it's still going up. So now the market is going below. We can see the entries here. All right. Okay, so if you're scared to enter here, you leave it. Okay, because if it went above a little bit, you might be scared. And here, all right, so you just wait again and see where it hits. All right, you wait. Okay, there it hits again, you enter. Okay. All right. So these, in fact, you would have entered, as I said, these are nice entries here. Just don't enter when it decides to go a little bit above. So we entered here if you wanted to, and then we enter. I wouldn't enter here. So I'll basically enter here. Here. Remember, we're looking at perfect entries. That's what trading is. So here it might take you out, or you may not know if it's going to hit and go down. So because it could just go like this and then go up. So this one is a bit hectic. So I wouldn't enter here. So this one was a nice one. It went, so it entered here. All right, so we move along. It's still going down. So you wait for it to hit and make sure this is profound. Then you enter. Okay, so yeah, here it was like quite profound, you can see. All right, okay, the nice scalp, this is nice for like pairs that are like this, the euro and the pairs that I show you that a bit difficult and sometimes. So yeah, this one I wouldn't enter because you see what's happening, it wants to change for some reason, so I'd leave that. I don't know what's happening here. All right, okay, so all right, to wait again, is it gonna hit? All right, okay, you wait for it. Okay, I would have entered here. Let's see if I was gonna make money. All right, so this is profound, and then we enter going down here. Let's see if we made money. Okay, it hit our TP over here. So this one works quite well with the euro. I've noticed with the euro pairs and some indices, but yeah, it works quite well with the euro pairs. Okay, and then it's starting to go up, as you can see. Okay, now we enter. As you can see, it hit here and then it went up. So out. All right, and then you're out quickly. Good. All right, that's what I'm saying. You're out quickly. You don't stay a long time. Make money like like maybe 3,000, you get out. Literally, that's what you should do. Yeah. Same here, is still going up, so you can enter there if you wanted. All right. But yeah, as for me, since it was doing this, I wouldn't really enter, but yeah, you can enter. You see what I'm talking about? Sometimes when it does this, that's why I like the perfect hits. And then I go up. All right. Same here. This is a perfect hit going down. We saw, let's see if we made money. Good. Would have made money, small amounts of money going there. So yeah, you can, this one, as I said, guys, you made money here, you made money here. That's like how in a week you made like 2,000, you get out. You don't have to trade the whole week. Here you made 2,000, or like here, let's see how. So this was the 7th of October, this was the 18th. So you see, you made money on the 8th, and then you wait for like, I think it's a week, you made money again. So, but like if you want to trade every day, you're gonna get confused, and just wait for this opportunity and then you go in and then out. Just aim for a few pips and then you're out. All right, so let's look at another euro pair. Let's look, I think it's euro JPY. It's also will do the same thing. It may not be perfect, guys, but this usually works quite well. So 30 minutes time frame, open our, if you don't see where it's going, use your moving average. So it's below. So here, okay, for example, we see these were like false breaks, right? So here, I wouldn't have entered. I would have entered here, although it probably would have taken me out, depending on my stop loss, but I would have entered here. But let's see my MACD. My MACD should tell me what, my MACD should tell me what's happening. Okay, I'm trying to, okay, let me put that there. So as you can see here, this was a nice one, but remember, you entered and you got out quickly. Okay, just make this money and you're out. All right, okay, and then you go, yeah, this was a nice one. As you can see, it didn't go out. So only focus on when it hits that part. All right, and then you're out. So here I wouldn't do anything because I don't know what it's doing. It wants to probably change direction or temporarily change direction. But yeah, as you can see, these were nice opportunities here. The reason I always say 30 minutes, because Euro JPY Euro pairs are like that. So it's better to do something like that, where you go in, you get out quickly. So essentially, this will be the same if you look at this. Although it went a little bit up, you can still enter looking at that. And there, this was the other one. Let me do that. So as you can see here, just a little bit out. I think this one would be nice one. As you can see, guys, you don't have to. Let's see how many pips, like literally 60 pips. And then you go to there, same thing. You see the MACD is here. So you literally can just do that, get out, do that, get out, and make like money. So you don't stay a long time, because sometimes it can change and go up. But Euro pairs, they usually work like that. As simple as that, guys. You can check, you can still use it on other pairs, but Euro pairs are usually good when it comes to that. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope it was a bit insightful. It was a quick video to show you some scalps for Euro pairs. I know some of my students used to be like, Euro usually acts in a different way and stuff like that. Yes, so that's the best way you can actually scalp it quickly and get out. So remember, just making a few pips, you get out. Make a few pips, get out. Literally just do that. You're literally going to grow accounts. You may make more money if you can be consistent. Remember, number one thing is to look for quality trades. All right, as I said, when it hits that MA, literally, and then obviously look at the MACD. So just look at that, and then when you just go in, guys. You go in, get out. Okay, and wait for another one. Go in, get out, and then your account is going to grow slowly and stuff like that. So that's basically how the Euro pairs. And if you have any questions when it comes to this, do leave your comment down below. I gave you a simple strategy that you can actually, anyone can do it, even a beginner can just do that. But if you have any questions, do leave them in the section below. And also, if you did enjoy the video, guys, do press the like button, so I see that you actually enjoy this content. I can bring you more strategies when it comes to this. Other than that, guys, see you on my next video. Let's keep making money. Let's go.